Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am working my way through an old programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, and I am up to program number 51, officially more than halfway done with the book now. So, factoring, number 51. This program finds and lists the factors of any number you specify. It can be used as a subroutine in a larger program, with appropriate attention to line numbers, variable names, and return. The number of individual factors are limited by the dim statement in line 20. The list will exclude the number itself divided by 1. For a quick sample run, try the number 18. You should find the factors are 9, 6, 3, and 2. Okay, let's type in a program that figures out the factors of any given number. Okay, 10 call clear. 20 dim. Oops, sorry, dim Q, typos, there we go, Q, 1700, 30 for L equals 0 to 999, L equals 0 to 999, 40, Q of L equals 0. 50 next L. 60 input number. And we're going to call that N intuitively. 70 for L equals 2. 2 to N divided by 2. 80, M equals N divided by L. N divided by L. Let's make sure I got that right. 80, M equals N divided by L. Yes. 90. If M equals integer of M, then line 110. 100, go to 120, 110 Q of L equals M. 120 next L. 130 print. 140 print factors are. No space. I probably would have put a space there, but I'm typing these programs in exactly as written. 150 for L equals 1 to N divided by 2. 160. If Q of L, then 180. 170, go to 200. 180, print Q of L. 190, go to 210. 200, Z equals Z plus 1. 210, next L. 220, if N equals 1, then 240. 230, go to 260. 240, print none. 250, go to 290. 260, if z equals integer of n divided by 2, then 280. 270, go to 290. 280, print none. 290 print and 300 print. 310, z equals 0. And finally, 320, go to 30. Let's clear the program, list it. We're looking for any obvious syntax errors here. Doesn't mean there aren't any. Just looking for glaring ones. Okay, let's give it a run. Oh, memory full in 20. Why list? Why are we ending up with a memory full error? Okay, let's go to line 20. Dim Q of 1700. I don't think this book requires extended basic or memory expansion. Dim Q of 1700. That's right? Dim Q of 1700. Memory full. Okay. Let's run it one more time. Memory full in 20. Okay, let's lower that. 20 dim 1000? Oh yeah, forgot the Q. Dim Q 1000. Okay, let's see if it works. I think it just didn't like that 1700. It might have been just a little large. Okay, let's test it. Let's try number 18 and see if how this affects the program. Factors are, there we go, 9, 6, 3, and 2. There we go. It's basically just establishing a large array, I believe. So we should get, if we do like 17 now, none, right? So let's see, we could do, I don't know, 20? 10, 5, 4, and 2. Looks like it's working pretty well. How about 21? 7 and 3? Let's go with a slightly larger number, 100. 50, 25, 10, 5, 4, and 2. Looks pretty good. Let's do a larger number. 333. $111, 37, 9, and 3. It looks like it's working pretty well. I just didn't like that dim statement that had 1700 as its max. Okay, let's do, how about 247. 19, 13. That is all. I believe. How about 450? That's working pretty well. So 450, we got 225, 150, 90, 75, 50, 45, 30, 25, 18, 15, 10, 9, 6, 5, 3, and 2. And of course 1 and itself, of course, but not counting 1 and itself. Alright, well this is a cool little program for factoring any number up to a certain point, presumably. We did have to fix one line. I just lowered the dim statement in line 20 from 1700 to 1000. So I think that just puts a lower cap on the highest possible number. But that worked pretty well. Anyways, that was factoring from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. If you are watching this after the fact on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, or under CozyAzeroth, my Twitch handle, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational videos on topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you're watching this live on Twitch, same thing, be sure to check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out my Twitch channel. It's under CozyAzeroth for live streams of all the above. And on my YouTube channel, you can find all the previous videos in this series up to this point and all the ones yet to come that I've yet to record, so stay tuned for those. And in any case, on both platforms, I appreciate likes and follows and subscriptions. The subscriptions help me out greatly in these challenging financial times. So thank you very much. I will be back soon with the next video. Let's take a little peek ahead. The next program in the list is going to be which is smallest. And I'm not going to peek ahead. I'll wait till I do the next video. But if you want to see video and program number 52, stay tuned on Twitch in a few minutes and check it out on my YouTube channel after the fact when I'm done. And stay tuned for all 101 videos in this series. And I've got a lot more planned down the road. So lots more TI-99 4A and retro content coming. In any case, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.